Hey guys, and happy Saturday. So it has been forever. It has been forever since I have been on, and I miss you guys so much. Sorry for the weird lighting. I'm in my room. I don't have a craft room yet, or I do, but it's not set up. So I'm in my bedroom in the corner, so the sound may be a little bit off or whatever, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys because, like I said, I miss you guys and I got some really good stuff. Woodpeckers Crafts sent me a box. It was a surprise. I didn't know they were going to send it, but I'm excited. I love that they sent it to me. And I wanted to show you what they sent me because they always send really good stuff for us to show you guys and to craft with. So I won't be doing any crafts with them today. Hopefully my next video will be using some of these crafts. Some of the items, I've only opened the box. I haven't seen everything in it, so I can kind of show you guys now. Um, but yeah, I miss you guys so much. I'm hoping to be able to get some videos out here in the very near future. My craft room is substantially smaller than it was before. So a lot of my stuff is in storage, so it's kind of hard to craft because I might have one thing here and one thing in storage, and it's just a mess. So kind of starting new because I'm not going to go into my storage and start digging for this stuff. So trying to use the stuff that I have, um, and kind of go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this stuff and go from there. I will have all the information linked in my description box if you wanted to check out these items. I think from what I can tell, this is the fall stuff. So you might want to, check this stuff out really quick because it's going to, fall is almost over in the crafting world. And I can't wait to get some of the Christmas stuff because I went online and I saw their Christmas stuff. So cute, and I cannot wait to place an order. Um, I haven't placed an order yet, and I want to get that stuff before they're sold out or anything like that. So really cute stuff. But this is the fall stuff. It looks like I said, from what I can tell. And let's get started. They just put a little note in here for me, and I will probably cut these pieces out or just fold this up and put it in one of my journals just to keep, I like keeping stuff like that. So right off the bat, there are these wood apple slices pieces. They're really thick. I love the quality of their wood is amazing, and it stains so well. Like, so staining any of this, it's kind of bright, so sorry, but you can see the wood grain in there. It's awesome. And both sides are a little bit different with the wood grain there. So I got one of the, or I might have gotten more, but I'm just kind of looking through. Got this. Is this a maple leaf? I think this is a maple leaf, but definitely would be great to color, to paint or stain. Maybe use your Cricut, put a little saying in there, or if you're going to use it as a gift, maybe put the name of the person that you're, giving it to. That would be cute. There's a bunch of different shapes of leaves here. This would be good for, maybe if you're doing like place settings, placeholders or something like that. You could put, put the numbers or put the name on there. That'd be cute. This is this a sun? I think this is a sun, maybe. I'm not really sure. But still would be awesome to, use that. I'm telling you, the wood grain on these things are amazing. So there is that. They sent me a lot of stuff. My goodness. Huge acorn. Huge acorn. I don't have my ruler, but it's a little bit smaller than 12 inches. It's about a little bit, it might be a foot. I'm not really sure. That thing is huge. And then they sent me a smaller one. So I got that. Oh, I got another one of these leaves. And two more of the smaller sized acorns. That's kind of cool. Then I don't know why when I looked at this, it reminded me of Blippi. Probably because I watched too many cartoons with my son. So then I've got a pumpkin. Oh, there's a couple of pumpkins. These are nice and chunky and thick. I love these. So you got some pumpkins there. You can DIY those, put them in a wreath. so many different things. I got another pumpkin here. I got a couple more apples. Got a few more apples. Oh, another pumpkin. 2 more pumpkins. Look at that. Okay. Sorry, like I said, I'm going through this with you guys as I'm opening it. So I got four pumpkins. Yeah, I got 4 pumpkins, 3 apples, it looks like. I got 2 more of these. A lot of stuff. Oh, I got these. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. The little jars. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. Oh, that's going to be so cute. I don't know what I want to do with these. Oh, these are going to be cute though for some tier tray decor. Oh man, what can I do with, ooh, I think I have an idea. So I got 3 of those, and then I got 2 cats. Now, I'm not a big cat fan, but these are really cute. You know, paint them black. You can even put like the eyes on there if you want to, whatever you want to do. I got 2 of those. Then I got a, well, it could either be a sign. It's just hollow on the inside, so it's like the little signs that you can get from like Dollar Tree or Target or anything like that. But it could also be a little tray or something like that. So a few different possibilities there. Getting some ideas. And then just this square piece here, which, looking at this, I just got another idea. This is going to be cool. Okay, so I got that. And then, oh, some little tiles, some little wood tiles. So definitely you could put, you know, either write fall or anything, you know, Cricut, the word fall, and then glue those on there. You could do the same thing with like the acorns, the leaves, anything like that. And I don't know how many are in here, but you get quite a few. So that would be cool. So yeah, so you got those, and I think, yep, that's it. So that was everything that was in there. So let's see, they sent me, I'm gonna just kind of go through everything real quick again. We got 4 of the pumpkins. These are thick. I mean, they're not little thin ones. They're nice and thick. Oh, 4. Wait, I got 5. 5 pumpkins. So we got 5 pumpkins. Then I got 3 of the smaller acorns. Then 1 of the really big ones, which, like I said, they look like Blippi to me. So I got the big one, and then 3 of the little ones. Got this sun. I believe it's a sun. I think it's a sun. I'll have to look it up and see. And then 2 of this shape leaf, and 1 of these. This kind of reminds me of like Canada, so that'd be kind of cool. Got 1 of those. Oh, I got another apple. Wait, where's, oh, here's my apples. Here we go. And so I got 3 apples. This would be cute as a gift for your teacher. You could put their name on there. You could put #1 teacher on there with the Cricut, you know, paint it green or red or whatever, you know, color you want, or make it look like a taffy apple and put like a stick on it, and you can kind of put them into like some foam or something like that and make them look like little taffy apples. Sorry, my nose is itching. Then I got 2 of the little cats. I'm just going over them again in case you missed it. 3 of these are adorable. I'm loving these. So 3 of these jars, and then the little like sign or tray, whatever you want it to be. This is nice and thick though, so that's kind of cool. And then I got the 1 square piece, so that's quite a bit of items. Ooh, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all that. I have a couple of ideas of what I want to do with a few of the pieces so far. So stay tuned. Hopefully within the next week or so, I can kind of put out another video to kind of show you what I've done with a few of the pieces. I know I won't be able to use all of them right now, but a few of them. So definitely come back, check, you know, stay tuned. Make sure if you haven't already, you hit that notification bell, subscribe, so you can see the next time I upload a video. Because like I said, I'm hoping to use a few of these items in my next video. And like I said, I miss you guys so much. Hoping to get on some kind of schedule. I do have most of my dollhouse stuff here, So I do want to show you some of the items that I got from like Michael's and stuff like that, to show you what I've found. I've found a bunch of stuff on sale before I moved, and I just kind of put everything in a bin. So I do have that stuff to show you, and I do want to start doing some of the DIYs, making some minis and stuff like that. So definitely stay tuned, guys. I really miss you. I know I keep saying it. I do. I miss recording for you guys and doing DIYs for you and just chatting with you guys in the comments. Maybe I'll go live one day and kind of just chat it up with you guys while I clean my craft room or try to organize it. I need your help. I don't know what to do down there. And I go down there and I just look and I'm like, I don't know what to do. I wish you guys could like be here to say, all right, let's do it. I don't know what I want to do down there. So maybe I'll bring you along so you can see what I'm working with and whatnot. But guys, that is it for today. That's it. Like I said, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I am almost at 5K, and I know that I'm so not deserving of it because I've not been around, but I appreciate each and every one of you. I cannot wait to get to 5K and celebrate with you guys, do a giveaway. I've got so many things that I want to give away, do like a nice little giveaway with maybe 2 or 3 winners when I hit 5K. Got a lot of stuff that I want to give you guys. So definitely, share, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm hoping to get some good content out for you guys once I'm just a little bit more settled in and I have, I find all my stuff and know where everything is at and can make some actual DIYs with it. I'm like looking at my stuff. I'm like, I don't know what I would make. Like nothing goes together. So hopefully soon I will be situated and I can be back with you guys and, have my Keep It Simple Sunday back again. I've completely just abandoned everything and I just feel horrible because my So You Think You Can Craft challenge, so many people were participating and enjoying that. So, praying that I can get back on track and just start doing this stuff. I'm hot. That's why my face is red. So that is it, guys. I appreciate you so much. And until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.